All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive with us. We always like to dig into the latest and greatest in the world of AI,
Absolutely.
and today we're focusing on something I think a lot of people can relate to. We've all had our fair share of frustrating customer service experiences, right?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. I think everyone has at least one horror story.
Oh, I've got a million. You know those endless phone menus? Press 1 for this, press 2 for that,
Yeah,
and half the time you end up in the wrong department anyway.
totally. Or you get stuck in a loop and can't get a real person to save your life.
Exactly. And don't even get me started on those chatbots that just spout generic responses and never really understand your problem.
Ugh.
So frustrating.
It's like talking to a wall sometimes. But hey, that's why we're here today to talk about how AI is actually making things better in the customer service world.
Yes. No more yelling representative into the phone, hopefully. So we've been checking out this really intriguing platform. You know the one.
You mean AI agent store?
That's the one. Always got to give them a shout out. And we came across these AI agents called HumAIns. And they're specifically designed to revolutionize customer service.
Hmm.
It's like they took those old school chatbots, gave them a serious upgrade, and then injected some actual human-like intelligence.
Yeah, they're not your grandma's chatbots. What's really cool about HumAIns is that they're not just reactive, they're proactive. So instead of waiting for a customer to reach out all frustrated, these agents can actually anticipate needs.
Okay, now hold on. Anticipate needs. How is that even possible? Can you give us an example?
Sure. Let's say someone's browsing an online store and they keep looking at the same product, maybe zooming in on the images, reading the reviews multiple
Sounds
times.
like classic buyer's remorse.
Could be. But a HumAIns agent could pick up on those signals and proactively pop up a chat window saying something like, "Hey, I see you're interested in this product. Do you have any questions I can help you with?" Or maybe even offer a little discount to nudge them towards a purchase.
Wow. See, that's what I'm talking about, that personal touch. That's something those old chatbots could never do. But you know what I'm really curious about? How do these humans actually work? What's the magic behind the curtain?
Well, they call it cognitive architecture, which sounds pretty fancy.
It does sound kind of intimidating.
It is complex but fascinating. Basically, they're using a combination of machine learning and advanced algorithms so the agents can process information, make decisions, and learn from every interaction. It's way more sophisticated than just following a pre-programmed script.
So they're like little AI detectives, constantly gathering clues and getting smarter with each case they solve. That's pretty amazing. But it also makes me wonder about the ethical implications. I mean, if these agents are learning and evolving, how do we ensure they're used responsibly?
That's a great question, and it's something developers and businesses need to take seriously. Transparency is key. Customers should know they're interacting with an AI agent, and there need to be clear guidelines and oversight in place to prevent any bias or misuse.
Right, because at the end of the day, we want this technology to improve customer experiences, not create new problems. Okay, so we've talked about how these humane agents can understand and anticipate needs. But what about actually doing things? Can they just answer questions or can they actually, perform actions?
They can definitely do more than just chat. That's where API integration comes in. So humans can be connected to other systems, allowing them to perform real-world tasks.
Like what? Give us some examples.
Sure. Imagine a customer wants to book a service appointment. Instead of transferring them to a human agent, the humane agent could access the company's scheduling system and book the appointment right then and there.
Wow, that's impressive. So no more waiting on hold, listening to elevator music. I like it.
Or let's say a customer needs to return a product. The AI agent could guide them through the process, generate a return label, and even arrange for a pickup. It's about streamlining the entire customer journey.
This is blowing my mind. I can see how this could be huge for businesses of all sizes. But, there's one big question I keep coming back to. If AI is handling all these tasks, what happens to the human customer service reps? Are they out of a job?
Not necessarily, and this is really important to understand. It's not about replacing humans entirely. It's more about collaboration. AI can take over the repetitive, time-consuming tasks, freeing up human agents to focus on more complex issues.
Okay, that makes sense. So it's like a tag team, with AI handling the first line of defense and humans stepping in for the trickier stuff.
Exactly. Think about it. Human agents are better equipped to handle situations that require empathy, creativity, and critical thinking. Like if a customer has a really unique problem or they're just having a bad day and needs someone to listen, a human can provide that personal connection that AI just can't replicate yet.
True. Sometimes you just need to vent to a real person. So it sounds like this could be a win-win for both businesses and the employees. AI can help businesses improve efficiency and reduce costs, while also giving human agents more fulfilling roles.
Absolutely. And happier employees often lead to happier customers, so it's a positive cycle all around.
Okay, I am officially sold on this whole HumAIns concept. For our listeners who are just as excited as I am and want to learn more, where should they go?
Well, we have to give another shout out to AI Agents Store. You can find all the information you need on Humains and a whole bunch of other amazing AI agents over there.
Awesome. The future of customer service is looking pretty bright. Thanks for diving into this with us. And for all you listeners out there, keep exploring the world of AI. You never know what incredible innovations are just around the corner.
Absolutely. And remember to think about the ethical implications as we move forward with these powerful technologies. It's up to all of us to shape the future of AI in a responsible and beneficial way.
Well said. Until next time.
See ya, Greg.